What's up guys, Bearded Jeeper here, and today we're going to do some exhaust work. So my Jeep's overdue for an inspection, and one of the things I need to fix before I get it inspected is my exhaust. I have an exhaust, it doesn't have any leaks, but it's not technically legal. It cuts off before the rear axle. So what we're going to try to do today is make a little small pipe, a little turn, so that way the exhaust will go right over the rear axle. That way we're all legal, we're all good to go, and hopefully get a new sticker. Alright, so I'll show you what I picked up. We got a 3-inch elbow piece, because where the exhaust is, it kind of comes down and I need to turn a little bit to clear the axle. We got a couple of 3-inch exhaust clamps, and I also picked up this universal hanger because I'm not sure how it's gonna hang. May need more than this, but this is gonna give us a good start. I try to take you guys under the Jeep with the GoPro, so the audio is not gonna be great, but hopefully you can see kind of what I'm doing under there, and let's get this done. So in case you were wondering, yes, my driveway is still a sheet of ice. I'm gonna be laying on ice. This will be fun. So there's that bolt right there. I should be able to get that disconnected, and I'll take this part of the exhaust off, add in this other tube, and then maybe be able to reuse that. So probably after like 45 minutes of struggling with this thing, I got the muffler off. This one clamp here on the end wouldn't come off, so I took it off further upstream. I was trying to get this stupid hanger off. Makes it super difficult, but I'm gonna get that off and hopefully get the new piece put in there, and we'll get that installed. So I had to make a part run to AutoZone. Actually had to pick up 2.5 inch. Seems like that end piece was 3-inch, but the rest of it was 2.5. So I had to get some 2.5 inch pipe and 2.5 inch clamps. So hopefully this will work. All right, exhaust install day 2. What did I learn? The first thing had to be that just because the end piece is 3-inch doesn't mean the whole exhaust is 3-inch. It ended up being just that tip was 3-inch and the whole rest of it was 2.5 inches. Since my big camera won't fit under here too well, I'll show you what I got. Got this 12-inch piece here to this elbow, to this other elbow, and then we got the muffler just like it was. So now it cuts off after the rear axle, so we're all legal. I should install a clamp up here, back up into that bracket, but I think she's alright for now. She's pretty stable, she's not going anywhere. This should get me to pass inspection. Alright guys, but the most important step is, how does it sound? Does it sound like an utter, complete pile of garbage now, or does it sound halfway decent? So let me set you guys up. We'll start her up and see what she sounds like. Well, I really think she doesn't sound too bad. I really didn't think she sounded too bad. Quick, easy fix to the exhaust, makes it legal now. I may fix that and make a better exhaust come summer, but it's really cold out. It's snowing right now. We got quite the blizzard going on here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. And remember to subscribe if you're not already. And stay bearded, stay Jeepin'. I'm out.